Hi everyone, I'm Ajay Armugam. I'm here to present a PPT regarding artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the intelligence demonstrated by machines as opposed to natural intelligence displayed by animals including humans. Learning AI textbook define the field as the study of intelligence agents. Any system that perceives its environment and takes action that maximize its chance of achieving its goal. Some popular accounts used the term artificial intelligence to describe machines that mimic cognitive functions that humans associate with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. However, this definition is rejected by major AI researchers. AI application includes advanced web search engines, example Google, recommendation systems used by YouTube, Amazon, and Netflix, understanding human speech such as Siri and Alexa, self-driving cars example Tesla, automated decision making and computing of high level in strategic game systems such as chess and Go. As machines become increasingly capable, tasks considered to require intelligence are often removed from the definition of AI, a phenomenon known as the AI effect. For instance, optical character recognition is frequently excluded from things considered to be AI, having because a routing technology. Artificial intelligence was founded as an academic discipline in 1956, and in the years since he experienced several waves of optimism followed by disappointment and the loss of function, known as an AI winter, followed by new approaches, success, and renewed funding. AI research has tried and discarded many different approaches since its founding, including simulation and brain modeling, human problem solving, formal logic, large database of knowledge, and imitating animals' behavior. In the first decades of the 21st century, highly mathematical statistical machine learning has dominated the field, and this technique has provided highly successful help to solve many challenges problem throughout industry and academia. The various subfields of AI research are centered around particular goals and the use of particular tools. The traditional goals of AI research includes researching knowledge, representation, planning, learning, natural language processing, perception, and the ability to move and manipulate objects. General intelligence, the ability to solve an arbitrary problem, is among the field long-term goals. To solve this problem, AI research have adopted and integrated a wide range of problem-solving techniques, including search and manipulate, mathematical optimizing, formal logic, artificial neural network, and methods based on statistics, probability, and economics. AI also draws upon computer science, psychology, linguistics, philosophy, and many other fields. The field was founded on the assumption that human intelligence can be so preciously described that a machine can be made to simulate it. It raises philosophical arguments about the mind and the ethics of creating artificial beings endowed with human-like intelligence. This issue have been explored by myth, fiction, and philosophical since antiquity. Since fiction and futurology have also suggested that with its enormous potential and power, AI may become an existential risk to humanity.